You need to go to your YouTube studio right now and fix this setting. Just one setting and your video will start getting views, your channel will also start getting subscriber, and you will start growing. You can actually control YouTube recommending your videos from your settings. So if you're a small YouTuber struggling with views, here is one setting you need to turn on your YouTube studio dashboard.
Our youtube.studio.com, I've already typed it in, so we'll just click on login. This is not new, I already have it on this channel, how to use your studio dashboard. Then now we are logged into it. We are going to be using a demo channel to explain these settings. But firstly, before we continue, I just want to let you know that if you are doing the sub for sub, you sub my channel, I sub your channel, please, I will not advise you to do these settings and expect it to work. You cannot be doing sub for sub and expect your channel to do well, because if they come and subscribe to your channel because you subscribe to their channel, there is no guarantee that these same people are going to watch your videos. With that said, the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to go straight to our settings. This icon here, we'll tap on settings and we'll go to channel, country of residence. This is a new channel, that's why all this is not set up. So now for these keywords that we have, we're going to put in keywords related to the niche that we're going to be uploading in this channel. This is where I want you to be very attentive. One of the first things I want us to do is that we are going to minimize and we'll go to our YouTube. So if this channel is a growth channel, for example, now we're going to search what is the keyword in our niche, which is, let's say, grow your YouTube channel. Yes. So now that we have this, we're going to check for channels that are doing very well on this niche. You know that vidIQ, this channel is a very good channel for YouTube growth. In fact, from when you enter the channel, you can see creators obsessed YouTube education. So we're going to come to their description. Now look at this description. What I want you to know is that the description has keywords related to the niche. If you read this description, you can see views, more subscribers, get monetized. These are the kind of things a YouTube growth channel should have. Tips and trick guide on how to grow your YouTube channel. This is a very good description. So what we're going to do is that right now we'll come to this description and we'll pick out the keywords here. We'll write more views. Don't forget that we're tailoring these keywords to a growth channel. We also saw more subscribers. Good. We'll add how to grow. Yes. So I want you to be able to see it. So the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to be adding vidIQ, the name of that channel. vidIQ. So we're going to add that. Don't forget to add your comma. Yes, please go ahead and add a lot of keywords, a lot of channels that are doing well. Then don't forget to save it. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to come to this customization button, and we're going to come to this description. You know all those keywords you added, you saw from a channels that are doing well. Please come and make it a sentence. Make all those keywords a sentence and add to your description. Combine them into a sentence and add them to your description. What is this channel about? This channel how to get monetized, reach a wider audience. So you see all these things, they are keywords. These are the keywords that I am just making into a sentence. So go ahead and add keywords into your description, and when you are done, please make it to be more detailed than this. Make it to be more detailed than this. And when you are done, don't forget to click on publish, because if you don't publish all these things you are doing, I promise you, you just wasted your time. You did not do anything.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have a question, leave it in the comment section. Please, I want you guys to do something special for me today. I want you to share this video to any of your friends or your family that is starting off on YouTube and you know that they have been struggling with views. Let's help ourselves. Please share this video to them so they can know what to do for you to start recommending their videos. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.